All right, so in this video, we want to show you how to install the headrest and attendant bracket on the Jazzy Carbon 27. You can also use this on the Jazzy Carbon HD. So this is how you install it. There's a Jazzy Carbon Ultralight and the regular Jazzy Carbon. There's a headrest very similar, but this piece is slightly different. So I just want to show you how to install this on the back. It's really simple. And these are all of the pieces. So you got a headrest. This is your bracket bar. So you see these two holes. You're going to put the joystick onto this to use as an attendant controller. You got these screws. I have a screwdriver. This mounts the headrest into place. And you're also going to need an Allen key. Okay, so you can see there's a little rubber piece here and rubber piece here. So you just slide this on like this, like so. And then I just put this piece on. So there's nothing screwed in right now. We just got the rubber pieces at the top and on the side. We've got 6 total screws. So we have these 2 long ones. And we're gonna put this in right here. I'm not gonna screw it in all the way. I'm just gonna kind of screw it in by hand for now without using the Allen key. And you put the headrest into this piece right here. And you use this to tighten it into place. And actually I'm going to loosen it a little bit because this is how you get this piece in to put the joystick on. So there we go. You're going to find your desirable height for the headrest. We'll just put it here. I'm not going to make it super tight just yet. Okay, so that's on there pretty tight. So again, I got this piece, so I can still loosen this. You can also see, you can adjust this piece right here. So I wanted to bring the headrest out a little bit. You can do that, just find a good positioning. So now we got this locked in. So the next step is I need to unscrew the joystick right here in this connection, and then take it off like so. You can see this is connected by 2 screws, which is why I have a screwdriver. I'm going to take this off. So now this piece comes right off, and I'm just going to screw this in to where these 2 holes are. So, made a little mistake. That's okay, that's how you learn, right? So these long ones don't go in here. It's gonna get these 4 small ones. They're gonna be 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and this goes on to where the joystick would be. So let me do that real quick. All right, so now we're able to get this one out. Take the headrest out. Little trial and error. Take this one out. Okay, perfect. And I'll take this bar out too. So let's try this again. Okay, I'm not going to tighten it all the way. Let's get this back in here. we'll put this back in on this side, where the joystick's going to go. You can edit to this part. All right, now we got these tightened on the bottom and top. And this is how you would connect the joystick at this point. So I put these on wrong. Now I'm going to put them in this way. Tighten with the Allen key. Then you just connect the joystick here. And I could even move this clip up here just to keep the wire out of the way. Save these screws, they go back in the joystick if you put it back on this bracket that goes on the armrest. I'm just gonna keep this in my pocket for now. But now, you can turn it on. Now you got your headrest on the attendant bracket. I'm sorry, headrest plus attendant bracket kit. So perfect for caretakers, a great solution. Let us know if you have any questions.